We're going to do something a little bit different today, and we're going to have some fun. It's time to run some trains. Hey guys, my name's Jimmy. I'm drinking I can't even remember what kind of coffee I put in the coffee maker today. But some of the coffees you guys are drinking, the Train Freak is drinking it Donut Shop Black with 2 sugars. Will King is drinking Folgers Cappuccino French Vanilla. And John Miller is drinking Dunkin' with milk and a fork of sugar. I don't think I've ever used that unit on there. So if you want to tell me what kind of coffee you're drinking so that it gets mentioned, you can put that in the comments below. So a few weeks ago, I did a video on some different types of little short operations that you can do on your railroad. Well, today I'm going to demonstrate one of those. Let's hop into it. This operation is pretty simple. Our Norfolk Southern Jeep 60, number 7138, is going to bring a boxcar and a covered hopper car for switching at the 2 industries right here. The 2 industries are this cement distributor right here with 1 drop-off and 1 pickup, and this lumber yard with 1 drop-off and 1 pickup. Because our covered hopper is positioned at the back of the train, we're going to switch the cement distributor first and use the boxcar as a handle. Now we're actually going to take this covered hopper that we're pulling away and spot it over here on the lumberyard track. And now we can put the covered hopper drop-off in the cement distributor. In order to make our move at the lumberyard, we're going to need to spot our boxcar drop-off temporarily right here. Next up, we're going to need to come grab our 2 pickups that are currently at the lumberyard. This includes the car that was spotted there a few moments ago. We can now go grab our boxcar drop-off using the 2 pickups as a handle and put it at the lumberyard. Next up, our train can pull away with its pickups and then head back down to the yard. Because there's no runaround track, the locomotive is going to have to do a long shove back to the yard, but that's okay. If you guys enjoyed this, check out the episode where I describe multiple quick switching operations, and if you really liked it, let me know in the comments, and I might do some more of these. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY Digital. Stay safe, be kind, drink some coffee, and happy railroading.